the glossy box for the month of May for you guys. This is a quick unboxing. They do send me this for review purpose, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into the box. This month they actually have a theme, so the box is a different color and it says perfectly imperfect, which I absolutely love that, because we should never, you know, thrive or inspire to be perfect and just accept that we are perfectly imperfect. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and first thing in here, oh my god, look at the model that they chose. That's absolutely beautiful. And they have I forget what the name of this condition is, but that's absolutely gorgeous. They have her on there, and they have her with the theme perfectly imperfect. I will put across the screen, this is a different type of skin condition, but I feel like no matter what condition you have, no matter what kind of body type, hair type, no matter what, we need to embrace our differences and realize that we're perfect and beautiful no matter what. And I think that that's awesome of them to do a box inspired by that. And on the inside it says that they want you to feel as happy and confident as possible with or without their beauty bag in hand. It says forget perfect, forget beauty ideals. We want you to truly feel wonderful in your own skin and embrace every little bit of yourselves, from the parts you adore to the imperfections you may not always feel so thrilled about, and this month's curation is here to help. So I thought that that was really nice. That is a great theme for this month. And then usually there's like tissue paper, but this month there's like these little stickers on here, and on here it has like little reminders. It says for every rainy day there is a rainbow, self-love, you are enough, do what makes you happy. Really cute little stickers like of self-love. Oh, and even on the inside, this is so cute. It has a little mirror on here, and it says you are beautiful in different languages. So that is absolutely just a message of self-love, very empowering and beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. As always, they have tissue and a ribbon, so it's like a little gift to yourself each month. That's something that I always love about Glossybox. And first thing that I see in here is this daily concepts. This is, oh, I'm dropping stuff. But the first thing that I see is here, oh God, talk Melissa. The first thing that I see is the Daily Concepts Daily Body Scrubber. And this is vegan, biodegradable, and organic. And this is worth $10. And what it is a TLC in the shower. It is a body scrubber. It's soft, made of natural organic cotton. And I am going to definitely check this out and see if I enjoy it. It's supposed to be used with your body wash. I'm trying to find out how to freaking open this thing. But you're supposed to use it with your body wash, and then you can hang it in the shower. And it also gives an exfoliation. It's supposed to lather as well, and then you can hang it in the shower. And it is biodegradable, which is really nice. Oh, they even have like a little, what's this called? Like a little, boop, like a little suction cup as well. So you can definitely hang this in the shower and reuse it. And it does help with circulation with the exfoliation that's in here. So that is really cool. And the next thing that I see in here is the Elements Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This is worth $18. Elements is a really great brand. They're high-end, and their facial products are really great. This one is a skin energizing cleanser, and it has a pro collagen and gel, and is supposed to give you a youthful glow. The next thing in here that I see, ooh, I can't wait to try this. This is the Maria Nilla Invisa Dry Shampoo. I always use dry shampoo, especially nowadays with my son, because I am just always on the go, and especially I go to the gym a lot, so I can't wash my hair all the time. And this is, oh, this is a little pricey, but this is $22. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free. It's 3.4 fluid ounces, and it's supposed to be invisible, and it is $22. $22. It absorbs oil. It's supposed to leave your hair as if you just washed it. And it has color guard, and it also protects from UV to protect the color of your hair longer. So if you dye your hair, it's supposed to help protect your hair. And it says it's a powder spray for dark or blonde hair that instantly freshens up greasy hair. So I will be trying that out, and that is $22. The next thing in here is called the Beauty Crop BFF Brow Friends Forever. It's a grow and groom brow gel. I obviously don't need help in the grow area, but it does say that you can use this to laminate your eyebrows and to set them into place. So it's kind of like a clear brow gel, but it also contains growth serum in here. It's vegan, cruelty free, no parabens, no mineral oil, and it does have castor oil, and castor oil is said to help grow hair and like lashes, so it's supposed to help with that. And basically it says that you can use it like over your pencil to keep your eyebrows into place, and this is worth $8.99. so I'll try that out because I do set my eyebrows into place with clear gel. And then the next thing in here is the Aceology Rose Petal Mask. This is worth $19, and it is a mask of rose petals. That felt redundant. And this is rose water rich formula to help plump skin, help with redness and irritation. It's a silky lightweight gel, and it is a moisturizing sleeping mask, and it is $19. And that is everything that is in the box this month. I feel like this month's box is just really nice. Everything in here is something that I really enjoy, and I just love the message of self-love. Everything is something like to really like soothe yourself or take care of yourself. So I really enjoyed this month's message and like self-love message. Let me know if you get Glossybox, if you enjoyed this month's box. I'd love to hear from you down below. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. You can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.